Introducing LoadMaster's powerful manual edit function. Perfect for personalized loading requirements. To get started, simply click the Manual Edit button at the top. Here's what you'll find. 1. Container list and storage area. 2. Editing area for adjustments. 3. COG deviation real-time display. 4. Function buttons for manual edit. Need to move goods around? Just click, drag, and position them where you need. If the good jumps when moving close to others, press Ctrl while clicking and dragging. What if some goods can be inserted a bit into others? Click the goods block. Press Ctrl. Then click the direction in which you want the goods move. Want to change the layout? Use Switch Stacking method or Switch Load Orientations. Stacking method, you can change the rows, columns, layers of the block. Load Orientations, you can change in which direction the cargo faces when placed. Splitting and reassembling blocks is a breeze. Simply select, right-click, and reassemble. Adding goods or containers is easy with the Add Cargo and Add Container buttons. Move goods between containers or delete them effortlessly with a few clicks. And remember these tips and considerations for a seamless experience. Most importantly, click Save after all these operations. Unlock the full potential of your loading process with LoadMaster's manual edit function.